Hey, how you doing with YouTube? I have a couple of questions. Anybody that loves music, bass like I do, I'm trying to figure out why is my car, or my system, my bad, my system, probably because it's got an old Kenwood, but hey, it's all about the audio. So I got a Crush back here, 1,000 watts, 1,100 watts, and 2,000 Kenwoods behind there. I put it against the back door because it says it kicks more on the back door, but I got 8 gauge wire to the amp to the speakers, the thin 8 gauge. I don't know, this says 8 gauge, so I put them on there, but 8 gauge to the battery to the amp. I don't know, I think that's skinny. The ground wire might not be strong enough to pull the ground, but this is how it sounds though. Okay, let me turn down. See, I'm gonna start from 0, not 2. What's this? Okay. I'm gonna keep it on 20 for a minute, then I'll go higher.
Buying number 9, love it when you got it on. Baby, you so high, all these diamonds cool you down. Got a lot of guap, every day I walk around. Baby girl, I'm up, X on I put it down. Just give me a chance, promise I'ma make you love me. And me and you together could accomplish more than something. Asking what I leave, baby, that's out of the question. Everything I make a day, I bring it back, you count it for me.
I swear it's supposed to knock harder than this now. None of my inside shaking. Nothing's shaking the inside.
Promise you will never leave me alone. Tonight is Mr. Baby, me and you, we going off. Man, don't worry about a thing, we gon' have fun now. A lot of money in my pocket when I walk around. Once we get back to the house, girl, it's going down. Started staring in your ass, then I talk you down. I wanna show you that I love you, let me hold you down. You my little dirty baby with my necklace on. Don't like you mad, but you even cuter when you from. I really need you, shorty, you my man. Never do it.
Turn down just for a minute, but yeah, I do not know why. Maybe it's because I'm Bluetoothing it, but it's still supposed to sound louder than that. Let's try a CD. Don't mind my CDs, it probably scratched. I don't really use CDs, but let's see what the CD does. I got everything not high, but the amps on normal. So let's try some. Let's go to 20 on this.
Strong talk. What's up? You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel it.
But yeah, if any of you got any question, any answers my question about how to get it knocking, maybe I need more speakers, but I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you.